Hey guys, Megan with another YouTube video. First of the year for 2022. This is an airsoft MP5 that I found on a forum somewhere. And basically it is a custom-made 3D printed handguard and forward kind of suppressor. And I decided that it did look pretty good and I wanted to remake it. So I went ahead and I remade it in Lego form, as best to my ability, as you can see here. So this uses the same stock that I used on the MP5 SD by Grantham, and the same forend that I used on the H&K MP5 SD with a custom 3D printed suppressor with an octagonal look to it. I did caliber conversion to 45 ACP over standard 9mm. Not too much to really talk about here, as it is an MP5, and you guys have seen plenty of MP5s before on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you later.